Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anna Vanila Arts. I am Anna Vanila, and here on this channel we talk about handmade things, about hobbies that I have, that you have, and where we knit together, we draw together, and we have lots of fun. I thought about showing you, this is the front of my new top, and I thought about showing you how to do this stretchy bit at the bottom. As you can see, it stretches nicely, but also it's a beautiful design. So as you can see, it's like a little plot, each one of them. So it's done as an elasticated bottom, but it's very lovely, it's very nice, it's very rich, and I've chosen this particular design to go with my overall top. And here we go. I'm doing my best in explaining how it's done, but bear in mind it's not my main language, but I do my best to explain to you of how I actually knit these wonderful things to help you knit the same or even better garments. So here we go. So we do a stitch, front stitch, and we've got 2 purl stitch. We pick up a second purl stitch and we do a loop like so, and then we wrap it around the yarn over the needle and knit with a purl stitch the first loop. Then we do the front stitch, 1 front stitch. We do the same thing. We pick up a second purl loop, we add yarn over it, and we knit only the first stitch with a purl stitch, and so on, like so. I hope it's clear enough for you to see how I actually do this. This is the first row. It's a bit tricky in the beginning, but as you go on, it gets easier and easier. And this way we knit the whole row, and then I tell you how to do the second row. Now we do the second row. The second row is a lot simpler, and that's how it looks. As you can see, this is the front row, I mean the front part of the top, and we knit it this way: 1 purl stitch, 1 front stitch, and 2 together front stitches, purl, front stitch, 2 front stitches, purl, front stitch, 2 front stitches, purl, front stitch, 2 front stitches, and we need like so to the end of this row, and you'll see how, and we need like so to the end of this row to see how beautiful this turns out to be. So after this we repeat the first row and this one, which is the second row, and overall it's simple. It looks complicated, but it's simple. It might take a while for you to get used to knitting it, but it's very simple. It's stunning design. I love it. I've chosen it to be for my top, and I hope it will turn out very nicely, which I'm going to talk to you about later in this video. Now it's time for me to show you another part of a pattern. This is one pattern which I've shown you earlier, and this is the next pattern that I need the whole top, and that's how it goes. You take the needle and you push between the two loops. You grab the yarn from behind to the front, you turn it right, and then these two loops you actually knit together, and this is it. So you push after the first loop in between the two loops, and then you turn it like so, and then you just knit them both with a front stitch, and that's how you do the pattern. As you can see, it's easy, it's simple, but it gives a very luxurious, very rich design, and it looks fantastic, it feels fantastic. It's just amazing. I love it. I love this particular pattern. I knit a lot with this pattern. And so you knit the whole row. So we knit the front stitch, knitted the front stitch, the front part of the top, and obviously that's how you do it. And then the second row, that was the first row, this is the second row. So inside out it looks like so. It looks like purl stitch all the way through. Yes, the second row is very simple and quick to do. Is a purl stitch. Every loop you knit with a purl stitch. Absolutely everything with a purl stitch. That's why this pattern, this design is so simple. It's beautiful, it's rich, it's simple, it doesn't take a lot of yarn, and it's amazing. It's good for beginners, it's good for anyone that likes to knit. I hope you like the patterns that I've shown you in this video, in this tutorial, and I'll show you how it all will all look at the end of a video, how it will all turn out as a top, as one piece, and hopefully you're going to love it. Like so. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anna Vanila Arts. I'm Anna Vanila and this is a top that I have finished doing. So as you can see, this is a slightly open work pattern. This is a stretchy band with a very beautiful pattern here, design. The main pattern is easy to do, is simple, is very designer-esque. These are my two froggies, which are 3D printed, my good luck froggies. And this is the seam at the top, and this is the seam. I have left quite a lot where you wear it with your head, like over your head. The arms I've made slightly bigger. You see, it's slightly bigger. I made it on purpose a bit larger so that it can fit me even if I gain or lose weight. It will just look stunning on me. So this is fantastic. This is the way it should be, beautiful around the neck, like so. It's a cotton yarn that I made from. It's in grey color. I'll be wearing it on my main channel, Anna Vanila, this top. So I hope you're going to be able to see it and like it, and hopefully you can do a top like so yourself. I've made them on purpose a bit larger, so it's kind of like a looser fit, and it would work with jeans, with anything you've got at home. It would work with a skirt, with jeans, with any trousers you've got, and that's how it looks like. So it's on purposely made a bit larger so it's not tighter around the waist or any other problem areas. It should work up to size 14 to my mind, I think. The pattern gave me a lot of pleasure to make it because I just love it. I love the way it feels when you knit it, and I think it's fantastic. I cannot wait to wear it on the beach. I think it's a fantastic top. I hope you like it too, and maybe you could do something quite similar to this, which will bring you a lot of originality and pleasure to wear it and look after it, and a pleasure to make it. And as you can see, it's fantastic. I love it. Like so. You can put like a belt on and it should accentuate your figure if you are a bit slimmer. If you are a bit bigger, then it will just hide any problem areas that you might have. And this should work. This pattern should work for anyone, in my opinion. If you do a top from my explained patterns from my YouTube channel, I'll be very glad to see it, and I'll be happy to see how beautiful it turns out for you. to make something like this, and in what color and anything else. It could be also knitted with acrylic yarn. In this case it's knitted with cotton yarn, and grayish cotton yarn, but it could be done in made from acrylic yarn as easily, but it will make you feel a little bit warmer. So if it's acrylic yarn, so you might just bear in mind that acrylic yarn, it's a bit warmer, it will keep you warmer. Cotton yarn helps with keeping you cool in the summer. So it's your choice of yarn that you go for, and I absolutely love this top, this pattern, everything about it. It's just the way I liked it to make it, to finish it and enjoy wearing. Thank you very much for subscribing and for watching my videos and for leaving the comments. Hopefully you like this pattern, this my design. I hope you make something as beautiful or even better than this, and hopefully we can see each other in the next couple of videos that I'll make soon. And everything that I do is good for beginners, so stay tuned and keep watching my videos. Thank you very much. Bye. Love you. Bye.